do a lark's head knot, which is over the ring. You put your loop over the ring, weave it under, and then work your cords through the loop. And tighten. All right. Do another lark's head knot, over, then you weave it under, over, weave it under, pull it through. We have working cord 1. You want your 2 longest strands to be your working cord because we'll be using them. You have working cord 1, your center cords, and working cord 2. To do a basic square knot, you get working cord 1, it goes under the center cords and over working cord 2. Working cord 2 goes over the center cords and through working cord 1. And then you pull it up tight and you do the same thing on the opposite side. And working cord 2 goes under the center cords and over working cord 1. And then working cord 1 goes over the center cords and then through working cord 2. Bring it up to tighten. Working cord 1 goes under, then over, and then working cord 2 goes over and under. Pull it up tight. Do it to the other side. Goes under the center cords and then over the working cord. And then you pull that through. And that's how you do a square knot. We're gonna make a simple keychain. We're going to repeat this knot however many times we need to get the length we want. And then we're going to do a gathering knot. You want to make a loop, and then you want to begin to wrap your working cord around that loop, working your way down. You want it to be tight, but you don't want it to be too tight because you will be pulling your working cord through the gathering knot. Keep working your way down. And at the end, you're going to get your working cord and weave it through the loop that you made and that you had wrapped around. And you get your tail from the loop and pull it through. Trim your ends. And then pull it through to hide. Tidy it up. And there you go. You want to cut your end cords as long as you want them. I cut mine short. Then you want to unravel each cord. And then you want to use a cat brush for dematting and comb it out, or a fine tooth comb to just comb it out as much as you can. I used a cat comb. And then you just want to get your scissors and shape it into whatever you want to shape it as. You can shape it into a heart, you can shape it into a mermaid tail. I just went pretty simple and did a little round end. This isn't for you. Voodoo, this isn't for you.